everyone. My name is Vlora Berisha Dranqolli. I'm from Kosovo, from University Haxhi Zeka in Peja. And today it's my pleasure to present in front of you my research paper, The Networks of Managerial Accounting Techniques, Cost System, and Financial Performance in Manufacturing Enterprises. This study, the main goal of this study is to analyze the relationship between managerial accounting techniques, cost system, and the profitability of the production companies in Kosovo, medium and large companies. Also, this study tries to analyze the relationship between managerial accounting, also to see if the managerial accounting techniques has impact in the as a role of intermediate between the profitability and the cost system. In the world that is shaped by technology advancements and dynamic shift in business paradigms, the function of managerial accounting have undergone a profound evolution. This transformation have given rise to a range of innovative techniques empowering managers to navigate the complexities of planning, organization, control operation, directing, and facilitate informed decision making. Before 1950, the role of managerial accounting was mainly in the cost determination and financial control, and today managerial accounting has shifted its role and its function in reduction of the resources losses during the production process, also creation value and effective resources utilization. In the specific context of Kosovo, where the manufacturing industry is undergoing rapid digitalization, the demand for advanced managerial accounting techniques has become pressing. While traditional technologies have their merits, they may not fully address the demands of the digital area, as it say that managerial manufacturing companies cannot survive in the modern environment with the old tools, with manufacturing companies dealing with interactive data streams, real-time analytics, and interconnected system. Decision must be made precisely and adaptively. This urgency is also mentioned by Spencer, who noted that recent research offers a clearer understanding of the mechanism shaping managerial accounting techniques. However, the changes lies in translating this understanding into actionable insight for managerial accounting practitioners. Motive for this study was by a perceived gap between theory and practice in managerial accounting. The primary inquiry of the study originated from the following question: which management accounting techniques should be employed to influence the profitability of the manufacturing enterprises in the Kosovo? To do so, the first step toward understanding this question was to examine the managerial accounting techniques currently that has been adopted by manufacturing companies in Kosovo. After that, we have analyzed if this adopted managerial accounting techniques has influenced the profitability of the production companies. Ever since Kaplan underscored the waning significance of the conventional managerial accounting and its associated techniques, numerous researchers have embarked on exploring advanced or strategic accounting methodologies and their consequences impact on the business performance. A spectrum of investigation has delved into this domain, while some studies have orientated themselves toward the profit-enhancing facts of strategic management accounting through a cost-orientated prism. Others have directed their attention to diverse management within the realm of strategic cost management. This encompasses target costing, activity-based costing, activity-based management, also cost life cycle. A parallel stand of inquiry has investigated the pivotal role of management accounting in enterprise strategic orchestration. In context of the managerial accounting techniques employed within the manufacturing industry, these authors that are presented here has divided all managerial accounting techniques in four main groups. First, cost techniques. Second group are planning, control, and performance measurements managerial accounting techniques. Third group are decision-making techniques, and the last group are strategic techniques. All of these categories of techniques are listed here. I'm not mentioning all by one because it's a very large list. So this is the cost techniques, budgeting techniques, capital budgeting techniques, performance measuring techniques, and managerial strategic accounting techniques. In line with the management accounting literature, the three fundamental systems for determining cost utilization in manufacturing enterprises are three main types: job order cost system for continuous production, and the ABC or activity-based costing. The two cost systems, two work job costing and cost system for continuous production, are counting as more traditional, conventional managerial accounting techniques, since ABC costing is known as advanced and modern managerial accounting technique for cost evaluation. So the main hypothesis of this study are cost systems have a direct impact on the profitability of the manufacturing enterprises. Cost system has a positive relationship with management accounting techniques adoption. Sub-hypothesis also is management accounting techniques play an intermediary role between the cost system and the performance. And the second hypothesis is about that management account techniques has an impact on the profitability. To analyze all of these hypotheses, we have used a structured questionnaire that is based in prior research, and all the questions are based on the prior work of Pizzini, Gades, Kader, Uyar, and Cohen. Survey was delivered to the 81 manufacturing companies in Kosovo, mainly medium and large companies, and the study was conducted in 2021. To test the hypothesis and evaluate the models for this research, we have used factor analysis, structural equation model, regression analysis, and some other statistical techniques. To assess the variable of the cost system, the study is built upon the measurement scale that is developed initially by Pizzini. All the questions to test the cost system design are based on 5 fundamental attributes, detailing how detailed is the cost system in furnishing expensive cost data across diverse cost objects, variance, the capacity of the cost system to price efficiency and price variances, accuracy, the precision and reliability of the cost system derived information, frequency, the frequency of the cost system report dissemination to managerial stakeholders spanning daily to yearly intervals, and the classification, the ability of the cost system to categorize costs based on the behavior traits. For example, cost variable or fixed, direct, indirect, product or period costs. Managerial accounting variable is evaluated through subdivisions, 4 subdivisions of manager accounting techniques, and is divided in 4 stages. Stages 1 includes cost determination and financial control, which encompasses 5 managerial accounting techniques. In stage 2, there are information for managerial planning and control that encompasses 8 managerial accounting techniques. In the stage 3 are the reduction of resources losses in the production processes that encompasses the 4 managerial accounting techniques, and the stage 4 is creation of value through effective resources utilization that encompasses 9 managerial accounting techniques. So in all of these stages are dividing or listing accounting techniques as they are more traditional to the modern managerial techniques. The questions about the managerial accounting techniques are based in the work of the cadre, which was first presented by the International Federation of Accountants in 1998. The same measure approach has been also used by UIAR and CUSE. The respondents are asked to test the variable of the financial performance. We have used return of the assets. This is the conceptual framework of our study. Cost system, how affect the use of the 4 stages of managerial accounting techniques. Managerial accounting techniques are divided in the 4 stages. 2 first stages are more traditional managerial accounting techniques, and in the stage 3 and 4, the role of the management accounting is more in the reduction of resources losses in the production process, and in the stage 4 is in creation of value through effective resource utilizations. So then we will test also how the use or adoption of managerial accounting techniques has affected the profitability of the manufacturing enterprises in Kosovo, and we will also see the intermediate role of the managerial accounting techniques between cost system and the profitability. Also, we will test the direct effect of cost system in the manufacturing profitability.
Basically, approaching conclusions. Sorry for interrupting, but we are running out of time, so 3 minutes, yeah?
Okay, thank you. As you can see here, in Kosovo, there are the 4 stages of managerial accounting techniques are adopted more the managerial accounting techniques of the stages 1 and 2. The traditional accounting techniques are superior against the modern managerial accounting techniques. I'm going to make some rapid conclusion. So this is the reliability test of all the variables. The SAM analysis is used to investigate the significant interconnection among all the group questions in our study. The result indicated that SAM's value confirmed to establish standardized boundaries and by this suggested the robustness and validity of the analytical approach. As our results are summarized here, cost systems have a direct impact on the profitability of manufacturing enterprises, is accepted. Cost system has a positive relationship with management accounting techniques usage or adoption, is partially accepted because only this is worth for the managerial accounting techniques of the stage 4, which are considered the most modern management accounting techniques. Management accounting techniques play an intermediary role between the cost system and performance. Our statistical result reject this hypothesis. So managerial accounting techniques does not intermediate the role between the cost system and the performance. And the last hypothesis is also partially accepted. Managerial accounting techniques have an impact on the profitability only for the stage 3 of the managerial accounting techniques. In conclusions, we can say that our analysis reveals the production enterprises in Kosovo embrace technologies from the first and second phases. This trend is generally seen with other studies in the development country. Significant outcomes of this study underscores that the cost input for establishing a function of or functional cost system can be validated when the system operates with the modern managerial accounting techniques. This study contributes not only to the academic discourse, but also carries significant practical relevance for the manufacturing organization, also helps to understand the dynamic connecting managerial accounting technique, robust cost system, and the intermediate profitability acts as a guiding compass for the decision makers. Thank you. If you have any question.